Hello everyone, I'm AJ Walker with your Fox 47 weather. And our weather headlines: sunshine and mild temperatures through Friday, a chance of showers and thunderstorms Saturday, and Sunday dry conditions and sunshine return. Off to school this morning, the bus stop forecast looks really good. We're going to see temperatures in the low 50s, sunny skies. When you pick the kids up from school or the bus drops them off, you're looking at more sunshine and a high of about 80 degrees at that time. Here's what we're tracking on our futurecast. A look at 9 a.m. A lot of sunshine. We're looking at a very beautiful day ahead of us. I advance to 2 p.m. Still looking gorgeous on our futurecast. 8 p.m. same deal, and even overnight into Friday. And you can get ready to have another beautiful day on Friday as well. We have really dry conditions through Friday, but Saturday we have a chance for some showers and some scattered thunderstorms to move through. Not expecting these to become severe, but want to get them on your radar. Once this system passes through, that's going to bring those showers and thunderstorm chances for us on Saturday. Sunday will dry back out and lock into a pattern of dry conditions for Sunday and Monday and beyond. Actually, we'll have a nice little stretch of dry days. So plenty of opportunities to get out there and go fishing if you want to do that. So for your fishing forecast, you're good to go for today and Friday. Saturday, I gave you a cautionary yellow fish because it's going to be about timing. It's not going to be a washout by any means on Saturday. So you want to be checking in with us as you get it a little bit closer to your fishing activities. But then Sunday and Monday, you're going to be good to go to get back out there on the water. Out the door this morning, it's a little chilly out there. Temperatures are in those low 50s. So you want to bundle up, have on that jacket or a light jacket or long sleeves as you're heading out, but you'll be able to ditch them around lunchtime. We're looking at temperatures in the low 70s around lunchtime, and then by 4 p.m., 78 degrees, and we are going to keep climbing. Today, we're going to top out about 81 degrees, mostly sunny skies. We're looking at some pretty light winds out of the northeast at about 3 miles an hour there. Dew points are nicely in the 50s throughout the day here. Even into the evening hours, still consistently in those low 50s, and they even come down to the upper 40s. So nice dry air for us. Tonight, we'll see an overnight low of 55 degrees and mostly clear skies. Tomorrow, a high of 82 degrees. Another day of mostly sunny skies. And like I said, we have a nice couple of days before we get to Saturday. And then Saturday, we have a system moving through that's delivering us a chance of some showers and thunderstorms. Temperatures, though, are going to be consistently in the 80s for the next several days. So we have the benefit of some nice, mild and pleasant weather. And then after Saturday, we lock back into a pattern of dry conditions and lots of sunshine all the way well into next week, as you can see there, all the way through Wednesday as well. So that's going to do it right now for your Fox 47 weather. I'll let you get back to our news.